Hi, it's Scott from Invictus Active. Just looking at the XL G Explorer wheelchair and whether it is compatible with the FreeWheel attachment. The answer is yes, with the folding adapter, providing that from this point, which is the bit in front of the cross section that enables a wheelchair to fold, and to where the bar kinks, is over 2.5 inch. Now, unless this wheelchair is a specific size smaller than the normal size, this section of straight bar would be more than 2.5 inch, and therefore the folding adapter can go across and attaches to each side. It then has a front arm of the adapter, and the FreeWheel connects to that and comes out in front, over and in between the footrest. So if you've got the XLG Explorer chair with the folding adapter, which is an additional accessory, it is suitable and will fit this wheelchair. Any questions, or if you want to send us a photo of your specific chair for us to take a look at, feel free to do that on email. Thank you.